This is Kevin with New Flow St. Louis. I'm at 7852 Leona Street, 63123. Right now I'm pushed all the way out to the 6x4 transition, 6-inch PVC. The lateral going out to the trap from the roof vent, the back of the home. This is a final video for our CIPP liner, cure in place pipe liner. We installed a 4-inch liner from this cast iron transition. The transition from PVC to cast iron. Line the cast iron coming all the way back to the base of this deck. Pull back to show the condition of the pipe. Like I said, this is 4-inch. The lateral going out is all PVC, all the way out to the trap. Looks like they just replaced it. 45 in the system. Continuing back. Right here we have a Y connection on the left side that's servicing the toilet, bathroom, kitchen line as well. Continuing back. Here we are at the base of the stack. This does drop in onto it. There's a 2-inch line behind this. It goes to a sink, and then there's also a 2-inch line for the bathtub. I believe there's a sink tie-in on the riser here that we're going up to the vent stack. Backyard. Front yard. This has been a final video for our CIPP liner, cure in place pipe liner, at 7852 Leona Street, 63123.